Hello there, family friend. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones on the road, baby. But first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that has passed and obtained the CDL license. Yes, I am still on the road. Sometimes we do over the road. I've been doing miles. And you might be like, damn, Joey Jones, what happened to you, man? You getting old. It's been a minute. Yeah, it's been a long time. Actually, I've been, it's been good. It's been a blessing to be here. I've been studying a lot of people. I've been watching a lot of people. A lot of my students, they've been doing great. They've been doing great over the road. They've been doing solos. They've been doing their pre-trips. They've been following me on the backing maneuvering, the 3 points, the three, you count 3 trailers and then boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's awesome. I'm blessed. I always said it on all my videos. God is good. God is always good, man. God is good. It's been tough for a lot of people, man. It's been tough for me too. Wifey's like, what are you doing? You're looking gray over there. That gray hair coming out of your face. I was like, yeah, I'm aging. Yes, I am aging, but I still got the little kid in me. I still be, popping heads. This is what I use. I pop heads. It's awesome. I be playing especially when I'm getting live unloaded. I be doing the Call of Duty mobile. That's what I've been doing. But yeah, this video it's for those. Congratulations. There's a lot of people that's been doing. They've been doing a lot of following my lead, following my instructions on on how to maneuver their trucks and how to how to become a solo driver. And it's a blessing. I still get my subscribers. I've been answering my emails, my calls, my text messages. I'm still here. I'm still here. I've been watching you guys. There's a lot of people that still struggling to back in, but it takes time. Because even when I first started, it wasn't easy for me either. But yeah, again, put it in. Get out and look. Watch your mirrors. Use the 3-point contact to get in and out the vehicle. All right, my peoples. First I want to say, again, congratulations. It's a blessing, and it's been a blessing for me to help a lot of you guys. A lot of people are like, Joey Jones. Can you? I need the pre-trip. If you can get the pre-trip sheets, well, guess what? It's right here. I have it here. I don't know if you can see it, but if you need a pre-trip sheet, I can send it to you. There's 3 sheets that I have. Actually, there's 4 sheets. It starts from the pre-trip inspections. It starts from the front of the vehicle all the way to the end of the vehicle, and you end up on the from the passenger side all the way to the end. But yeah, if you need these, you can send me an email, send me a text. I'll text it to you. I'll email it to you. However you can receive it. I did request this from Sierra England. They did cross that out. That's the 3-point brake check. But yeah, again, if you need this, you can send me an email and I can forward it to you. I have no problem doing so. But yeah, again, there's a lot of people that has passed. A lot of people that's already doing driving by themselves. And again, listen. This is not easy. I'm telling you, it's not easy. It's a sacrifice. You gotta sacrifice. You gotta let it go. Like everything that you have back at home, your wife and kids, you're gonna have to pause that for a minute if you're gonna be over the road, man. I keep telling everybody, once you get to pass the CDL and you're gonna get your experience, you're gonna be over the road. Yeah, you're gonna see mountains, you're gonna see snow, you're gonna see summertime, you're gonna see valleys, you're gonna see it all. Okay? You're gonna see it all because that's where you're gonna get your experience. I told all that to all my viewers, subscribers, my students, everyone. You're gonna get to go over the road unless if you have a mom and pop's trucking company that can squeeze you in with no experience. That's the only way. Okay? Other than that, you're gonna live in the truck, man. You're gonna live back there. There's 2 bears back there. I told you that, excuse me, 2 beds back there. You know, one for you, one for your mentor. Okay, you are gonna sleep back there. Okay, you know, again, I got my fridge, I got my microwave. You know, this is my second home, but I don't sleep here. I take naps. Like right now, I'm getting live unloaded, and I could have been taking a nap, but I'm right here doing a video, you know, talking to you. But again, you know, it's I'm here to help. You know, a lot of people's like, wow, Joey Drones, you know, I haven't seen you. You know, and yes, I am aging again. I am aging, but you know, I still got the little kid in me. You know, and I'm here. I'm blessed. And let me say something. Once you complete and you have your experience, again, you can go just about anywhere. Whatever you feel comfortable with, boom. That's how you work your way. You work your way from the bottom. You know, you get your experience, and then a lot of people see. This is what a lot of people do. Some good trucking companies, well, all companies are good to me, you know. To me, you know, every company, it's good. It's just the people, you know. It's just the driver leaders, the driver mentors. Those are the ones who you go through, and those are the ones who make your day miserable. So that's why, you know, because of them, we be like, oh, that's the company, it's the worst. You know, so, but yeah, everybody has their ups and their downs, you know. But once you get your experience, you can go just about anywhere, you know, because like I told you, you know, I started off over the road, got my experience, and then I went on Walmart dedicated. I was doing my 35-hour reset at home. You know, right now I'm going over 3 years of doing this. You know, will I go back to my old job? No, I have no regrets coming in to this trucking industry. I have no regrets at all. I am a professional truck driver. Let me tell you that right now. You're a professional truck driver too as well. As long as you follow the rules and instructions and all the safeties requirements that you need, professional truck driver. Get out and look. Boom. I did a couple of my videos. I don't get out and look. Why? Because I'm confident of doing what I'm doing. I've been doing it for quite a while, but I should get out and look too. Okay, so again, it's a blessing. I'm happy to be here. I haven't left, so I'm still here. I'm still Joey Drones. I'm a grown Joey Drones. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I'm not that old, but then again, I'm not that young. I'm on the mid 40s. But again, you know, it's just. You know, it's funny because my wife is like, why don't you take that off? I don't like that. I don't like it. Actually, you know, I sometimes you want to change, you know, how you look. You know, so yeah, and I'm working on my hair up there too, putting some chemicals and stuff, you know. But anyway, again, you know, women. There's a lot of women out there too that calls me, texts me, Joey Jones, I need you to help me back up. You know, I get on the phone here. This is how you do it. You know, take your time. Forget about whoever's looking at you. You know, as long as you don't hit anything, you'll be fine. You know, I tell this to all my, you know, even women, like, of course. You know, I'm like I said, again, I'm a mentor. I have no problem showing people and answering my phone, you know, to help you out. All right, my peoples. You know, I am going to come back, you know, back on my videos again. You know, it's just that it's been tough, you know, this COVID-19. We've been using these masks, you know. And it's funny because, you know, people tell you to wear these masks and they're the first ones who get the COVID. You know, it's just, it doesn't make sense. You know, why you have somebody telling you to put these on and they're the first one who get contaminated. Okay, my peoples, you know, I'm here. Again, you know, again, if you need the pre-trip sheets, I'll forward them to you. I'll keep you posted on my next video. And God bless you all, and congratulations again. You know, there's a lot of people that's going to different schools, different schooling, and that's good. You know, as long as you get your CDL license, forget about the rest. It don't matter what school you go to, get your CDL Class A license. That's all you need. That's all you need. You're gonna be over the road. You're gonna be over the road, okay? Once you get your experience, then you're gonna be home daily. You know, because all these little companies and all these companies, if you want to be home daily, they want you to have a year plus experience before they give you a truck. Okay, because they just want you to prove